how to put iPhone into recovery mode. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure your Mac or PC has iTunes for older version of Mac OS or Finder for newer versions of iOS. Now, firstly, go ahead and back up your data if possible, as recovery mode might lead to data loss. Now, in order to put your iPhone to recovery mode, firstly, connect your iPhone to your computer or Mac using a lightning cable. Now, press and quickly release the volume up button and then press and quickly release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once it appears, your iPhone will go to recovery mode. So, this is how you can put iPhone into recovery mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.